Hello viewers, I am Shannon from Tech Surfers. In today's video, I am going to explain you how to hide subscribers count with your smartphone. So without any further ado, let's begin the show. First of all, open YouTube with any of your available browser, except Google Chrome. Because Google Chrome do not allow YouTube browsing outside YouTube app. So you have to use other browser. Open any browser and type youtube.com. Click on your channel icon. On top right side. Scroll down and tap on desktop. Zoom on and go to the top right side. And again click on your channel icon. Tap on Creator Studio. Zoom on. Click on the View Channel button. From now, the rest of the procedure is same as our first part, how to hide subscribers count. If you didn't saw our first part yet, I will drop the link in the description box for you. The video is only 1 minute and 51 seconds long. Thank you for watching this video.